All right, continuing my Christmas videos, I'm excited to share a new technique to decorating my Christmas tree this year. So I've been watching this guy, John Mark Enterprises, or it's John Mark, and his business is John Mark Enterprises. It might have come across your screen, but I thought since I'm changing everything up, why not change how I tie bows, ribbons, and decorate? So I've already added the navy blue ribbon, which I think is beautiful. I believe I got this on Amazon. I'll try to find stuff, link it for you. This is also a tartan. Again, I've had this stuff for years, y'all. I have been decorating pretty much the same way for a long time. So let's get started. So I just start with my ribbon, very easy. I dovetail one end, and I will show you this in a subsequent step. And then I just make one like bunny ear, and then I leave one tail long. I have wire. My tree, I cannot like bend the limbs to like twist. So I'll just show you here. Kind of pick a limb where it's going to drape down. Put the wire behind it. And then I just twist it like words are hard, like a bread tie. So pretty. And then I just have it like cascading down the tree. Let's add some more. So once you get it up to the tree, you want to take your wire, wrap it around the branch and around the ribbon, and then kind of make sure they're even. And then you want to twist it like a bread tie. So let's see if I can show you. So have it up under there, and then pull it tight and just twist like that. So you will have to like fluff the ribbon, of course, after you've manipulate it a little bit, get it to cascade down, but it's so pretty. I really love this style a lot, and we're going to add more ribbon here, so we're not going to cut these off right now. I am using 3.5-inch navy velvet ribbon, and this is all wired. That's why it can like stand like that. And then I am using a 3.5-inch tartan ribbon. I love this. I have had this for several years. Now what you want to do, I split it like this, I like fold it like this, and then you want to dovetail your end. I clearly need like sharper scissors, so you need sharp scissors, but you want to dovetail your end. You have to like that. It's pretty, right? I love it. All right, now I take it about the forearm length, pinch it, make a rabbit ear from Susie. I love this ribbon so much. And then I have kind of like a longer piece down here. So I'm gonna actually drape it a little bit down the tree. I'm gonna make this a lot longer. I might just start, I don't know if you can see this. Here, let me move you. So I have it cascading down here, and I'm gonna take the ribbon. I have my wire from where I tied it off the first time, and then I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, and then push it in, and then twist it like a bread tie. And then you can kind of fluff it, make it look pretty. I just love this ribbon, y'all. I cannot say that enough. It is so pretty. And then we're going to cascade it down, wire, and then I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna make it like low, and then I'm going to tie it onto my tree here and just twisting it like a bread tie. And once I have this, I will cut it again, folding it in half and cutting it on an angle like this, and that makes the dovetail. So pretty. All right, now I'm just going to repeat this all over the tree.